Hi, I'm very happy to meet you through this video. So, it is all about planners. As I have been speaking a lot about maintaining dairies, so lot of you were inquiring about the planner that I went for the next year. It is packed, so I'm very happy to open it and show it in front of you. So before that, I would also tell something about the planner I use for 2020, that's from Saloni. So I just show this briefly and then we will go and open this. So I hope you are excited. Let us go. So this planner is as I mentioned from Saloni Srivastava. So I was very impressed by the color and the theme of the book, which is plants. So because of that I chose this book. I have used it very extensively and Ajay also has used so little bit of damage, but the design is very beautiful and very pleasing to the eye, and they also start with goals, the travel bucket list. This is anyways not suitable for me. Habits, the vision board, all of which I have not used because this was first time I was using something like this. I was not so much into it. So this is how the main planner was. So it had all these things, the birthdays, events, monthly goals, and it had the trackers, expense tracker. I had little bit of issue with the meal planner because for every day it was not suitable, but over a period of time I have switched to better apps for that. So this is how the week pattern was. It had a good enough space for writing, but switching from my 2019 to 20 diary, this space was not enough for me. So I was struggling a bit in the beginning, but over a period of time I have gotten used to this. But this was very easy for us to glance the entire week agenda and also plan for the future week. It was undated, so I had to put the dates beforehand. That was perfectly fine, and at the end of the month there was this monthly review, so which I could keep for assessing myself, then go the next month. So that's how it was. It was undated, but it was very much handy. This is something which I fixed it myself. So because I missed this, so this I fixed it for myself, and it has been good enough so far. But over a period of time, I realized this place was not enough for me, so I have switched to using apps like Google Calendar and Google Notes, which is very much useful. So that way I have adapted to this, but I didn't want to buy the same planner this year as well. I had my own reasons. The first thing was I don't want to switch to the same thing for all years. I want to try different things, and I want to try for different budgets as well. So right now this particular book for 2021 is around 1200, that is after discount. Otherwise it's little bit more also, and I want to search in other budget ranges as well. In 2019 I had something worth around 500. So that's why I went and purchased a new one, which I'm going to show in a little while. So that is about Saloni's planner. So let us open this. So this planner looks of good size, A5 size, and I'm liking the look of it. So let us open and see how it is. So it is coming in a neatly packed case, cardboard case, and inside is the so to begin with, I really like this plain and simple design. So I'm not in for the flashy ones, but I think it looks really good. It's by Tiny Wins. So Tiny Wins, I had the planner in 2019, So for 2020 I went in for Saloni's planner. So let me see how it is. It's really simple, not any flashy stuff. This is what I saw in Amazon before purchasing, but I am not sure. If I am not liking it, I may return, but let me check. So to begin with, it looks neat. Some planning tips, calendar for the year. I would like this to circle important dates. So these are list of the holidays. This is very useful for me. Also list of birthdays and anniversaries. Contacts, reference. I'm very happy for this. Okay, so this also has the vision board and goals. I'm not a person who's so much into this. Oh, this is something which was not there. So this is something which was not there in the previous. So I am, I had separately taken a printout in 2020 and used it in my workstation to write this. So I am very happy that this is there, because I can mark important things, on particular dates, so that it is useful for my kind of work. Okay. So there is time slots and for different weeks. So it is something which is good enough for preparing a particular ideal week. So I am happy to see this. Okay, so there are timetables. I still don't know how I'm going to use this, but I think I will put some thought into it. So ideal day design. Okay. Work day, closure routine, night routine. This is something new. Let me put some thought into it. I will be sharing with you very soon. Okay, so January. So this is something which is a must for any planner. So this is something very useful. So budget, income and expenditure. Okay, so now we come to the main planner, the main body of the planner. So as you may notice, so you can see the same dates on either side. So that is something which I was impressed with this planner. So the planner is all about dual planning. So I could plan everything related to my work, and on the same day I can plan something else, either related to my personal work or my side hustle, or whatever is different from this. I could make an exactly same day planner, and it will be there in front of my eyes in one page. So this is something which struck me immediately when I was just browsing through the planners, and I think this is very useful for me, because I really have a very active work life and as well as a family life. So I would want to keep a lot of things here related to my family and related to Ajay and a lot of other work which I'm doing at home. So this is very useful for me, and I am very excited to use this. This is the first time I'm finding out something like this. So it has the same dates, and it has a to-do list as well for that particular week. Of course, this the space for each is again very small, as I was mentioning in the previous as well. It's quite small. Let us see the end of this month. Okay, so there is nothing specifically to end the month as such, and then immediately it jumps to February. So you have the same thing, budget, expenditure. Okay, so there are a few things that's not there, like there were like the weekly goals and the food chart and all this, but I think everything can all the months. So I think I'm pretty satisfied with this, because I'm not into so much of good looking stuff as of now. The color is definitely little bit dull. I would have liked it little bit more bright, but that's okay. But I think it is thick enough for usage of the gel pen. Since I don't get that much time to write down the extra things, so this is I think pretty good for me. So this is it. So this is from Tiny Wins. So it has this nice binder, so that I can keep papers safe inside. It has a pen holder too. This is very much useful for me because I keep missing pens. And it also has this section marker as well. It has double, so I'm very happy about this as well. And as I showed to you, the design is quite plain. It may not be something which everybody will like, but for me, I like it to be very sober. I like it to be very serious, and I would like to rather fill lot of more stuff in this and make it interesting. And as I said you, the space here is a little bit lesser than my previous diary, which I am not so much happy with, but still I think I would be content enough, because now I am much into using the online apps like Google Calendar and Google Notes, which allow you to split your daily, the bullet points into the elaborate the further things, and make your planning a little bit more in detail. So that way I think I'm very satisfied with the size. So if you compare it with the old one, the size is somewhat similar. The size is very much better. So that way this is going to be used, and I feel like it really looks good in my hand, and for all the workplaces or meetings I attend, I think it really looks catchy. So this is my review for the planners. I hope no, I think I'm going to use this. Oh, so this is something I have missed, because I'm not so keen on this, but there are some beautiful cards, bookmarks, some simple stickers. They are plain looking, but I might not use them also. For some people it's really important, but for me it's not that much. So I am pretty okay with this. But I think all in all it satisfies my needs, because I really have quite packed days, and it's easy for me to quickly jot down the important things. I don't have that much time to fill a planner also. So that way this is going to be very, very useful for me. I'm very excited. So hopefully in a month's time I would start writing this, and I can share with you important things to about the positives and negatives of this planner. So I'm very happy to share this with you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you'd like me to discuss something about proper planners to choose for your type of personality and work. And with this I want to end this video by saying thank you to all the supporters, and wishing you a very blissful life. Bye.